Your Wednesday pick, and calling Mr. Mueller on this edition of Arbitrage State of the Bands, starting now. Good morning, traders, and welcome to your Arbitrage State of the Bands for Wednesday, March 20th, 2019. I'm Joshua Stark. It's a witch hunt, a vendetta, the worst presidential harassment in history. That's what President Donald Trump has shouted for 2 years about the special counsel's Russia probe. Now, barring an 11th-hour surprise, Trump and his allies are starting to see it as something potentially very different, a political opportunity. With Robert Mueller's findings expected any day, the president has grown increasingly confident the report will produce what he has insisted all along: no clear evidence of a conspiracy between Russia and his 2016 campaign. Up next on Arbitrage State of the Bands, it's your Wednesday pick and more news. Stick around.
If getting the most out of your investment is important to you, then beware of cheap entertainment when planning your next party. Omega Sound and Entertainment is a Hall of Fame mobile DJ company that travels the country, specializing in once-in-a-lifetime events from weddings and private parties to corporate events and more. For your once-in-a-lifetime event, invest wisely. Invest where the search for premier entertainment ends. Omega Sound and Entertainment. Online at OmegaSoundDJs.com or Omega Sound DJs on Instagram.
U.S. stock indexes closed mostly lower Tuesday after a late afternoon splash of selling erased early gains, ending a week-long rally. Banks accounted for much of the decline, along with utilities and industrial companies. These losses offset gains in healthcare, technology, and consumer product stocks. The benchmark S&P 500 ended barely lower, its second loss over the last 7 trading days. It's still up 13% so far in 2019. In 1998, Scottsdale, Arizona gained a restaurant, and the U.S. gained a franchise with a passion for fresh global menu items, including sushi and crafted cocktails. Serving over 40 signature sauces and dressings in 46 locations in the U.S. and abroad, Kona Grill, opening at $107 a share with a symbol KONA, is your pick of the day. Arbitrage Trade Analytics is proud to announce financial freedom scholarships for high school seniors graduating in 2019. 3 scholarships of $1,000 each will be awarded. The scholarships are open to students who plan to major in finance, accounting, economics, mathematics, or physics. Additional information and a scholarship application can be found at arbitragetrade.com. Arbitrage Trade Analytics LLC is a privately held market research company. Arbitrage Trade Analytics LLC is solely responsible for the preparation and distribution of the content of this podcast. The opinions offered in this podcast are for informational purposes only and are not intended to be investment advice. Seek a duly licensed professional for investment advice. For more information about the informational research and services offered by Arbitrage Trade Analytics LLC, please visit arbitragetrade.com.